abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu ndabe sekudwini ekudwini.
Salbonani Magadi, welcome to Enkundleni exclusive once again. This is your guy, General Leslie, and it's an interesting and sorrowful week, but what can you do? We just have to work. Hustler of Shin Buffett. Well, this episode is brought to you by Depth 3 Events, like I always say, for all your lighting systems, sound hire, studio hire, camera setup, cinematography, whatever that you need that has to do with eventing, we are here for you. You can contact us on the details that I have set on the screen right now. So remember, if you're hosting an event, whether it's a birthday, whether it's a wedding, whether it's a church conference, even outdoor events, let me mention that we also have proper equipment for outdoor events. I'm not sure what you want to do, whether it's a road show, whatever, we've got you covered here at Depth 3 Events. And well, special thanks to Oguhle Designs that have powered this episode for all your graphic work, t-shirt printing, cap printing, marketing, branding, whatever that you may need that has to do with marketing services. Oguhle Designs have got you and they are ready to serve you. Well, it has been a week full of a lot, and Unontutuze is going to be in studio on Monday, and we are going to be discussing some of the things that have been happening throughout the week. But today, on a sad note, we just received a notification as Enkundleni exclusive of the passing of Desire Moyoxide, Honorable Desire Moyoxide, MP Wenkulumane, and Tina, as Ama Creatives, we don't only know him as a MP, we know him as a guru in this arts industry. He's an advocate for thespians, an advocate for musicians, an advocate for poets, an award-winning poet as well. I once had him here on studio in Enkundleni Special, and I was just talking to him, asking about the state of the art in the country, asking about how we are represented in the parliament as the artist, and we managed to unveil and unpack a lot of things. Unfortunately, I had promised to bring him back on studio. Well, uNkulunkulu wenza intando yakhe, and well, we are saying to the family, to the friends, relatives, and everyone, bakithi asivumeleni ukuthi umoyo aphumule. Let's allow uDesire Moyoxide to rest in peace. Imuli mayitutuzeke. But that's not why I'm here today. Today I've got music, I've got hip hop, I've got good stuff live studio, and it's gonna be interesting. And I'm so excited because I used to listen to this guy some years back. Some years back, they were running at, what was it, The Tribe, I think. Yeah, years back. So I know you're wondering, just look good, man. I can go on and on for an hour. Who is he talking about? But well, I'm talking about Umlungisi. Mfumbiza nge full name. Umlungisi mo.
Oh, yeah, aside. Thank you so much, bro. Hey, umchita uvele wangibiza ngekameni leyo. Same time, bafethu.
Ngilomlungisi moyo la.
The one and only.
What's the D for in your name? I know there's a D somewhere.
Bro, D is my second name. It's like, yabona kunale nto ukuthi everybody in your family yabo banale a second name abayisebenzisa A1.
Oh,
so
okay,
mina
okay.
ngingudombo.
Oh.
Udombo ya uvuma balanda umageza ngochako. Ya ubathi amanzi ledoti. Sigeza ngochako, sigeza ngobisi mfethu. Igama lami umlungisi Dombo Moyo ngiphuma eMagogo West.
Yeah.
Yabo.
So ngimbambile namuhla.
Umbambile namhlanje bafethu.
Ngiyamdabula nge-full name.
Same time.
But I know a lot of guys who don't know umlungisi Dombo Moyo. Bazuba.
Bawazi umsaphazi, the biggest umsaphazi. Bawazi umluche, dog.
Bawazi umluche.
They know a rapper, uskri, rapper, yabo. The biggest BYO hip hop artist right now. I mean, abafethu ngithethe hip hop best hip hop artist kuma BAs last time. I think it was last year.
2023.
2023.
Yes.
Yeah. So I scooped that one. So yeah, till today up to until maybe somebody wins it, I'm still the biggest hip hop artist in
That
the
if
country.
someone wins it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Lungis is full of energy.
Hey, bro.
Naturally. So, I doubt I'm going to survive today. But I'll just try and keep it to myself, And we are going to talk mainly about your career because I know Uti, there's someone out there who's like, Luche, yes, maybe I've heard some songs. Like Mina, I started by hearing your songs before I could put a name to the face. And
Yeah.
there's someone, Luche, song him, Luche, abantu lava basitshela amanga lava.
yeah.
So someone might be interested in knowing a bit about your history background. Mbani Mvelo Mlungisi, Dombo Moyo.
Yeah.
How did it get to become Luche and size sifike kuthini akaresu sesilomrapper okuthiwa ngumluche? What's the journey like?
So, yeah, man, Umluche is an artist. Yeah, but like I grew up in Makoko Esti, whereby we used to dance. Yabo senza like ama group. Yabona lama team ukuthi sihamba so jive emshadweni basika ama plate. Yeah, I used to be that person. Yabo ngine group I was dancing for this other group othiwa Mawatwat. So ngaleso sikhathi we were dancing a house music. Yabo before according to hip hop. Yeah, jive. And then people were I started calling myself Lil Mlu because I was influenced a lot. Ngabo Lil Wayne. Yabo it was that era. Yabo easy. So yeah, man, Umluche is an artist, is a award-winning artist from Bulawayo, but I'm based in South Africa. I've been doing this music thing for I think this year is gonna be my 10th year because I dropped my first single, but it wasn't like official. I dropped it on radio. Ku Prometheus at Power FM. That song did #1 on Power FM Top 10 with Prometheus, the Hip Hop Basement Show. So yeah, since then I've been pushing, trying to get my songs Kubo Apple Music, digital stores, and all those things. Yabo Nagbo TV, but it hasn't been easy. So I can safely say, Uti, I started doing music that time, but then I got a chance maybe 5 years ago. Yabo Yoguti, I can put my songs Kubo radio, Kubo TV, and stuff like that. Because I remember the time we went for an interview. It was in ZBC, because when I did that song Umina, it strictly went to #1 with Power FM, and then the Prometheus was like, it was the person who was running the YGT, I think it's You Got Talent, YGT on ZBC. Yeah. So I was one of the few artists from BYO to go there. YGT. So yeah, man, I've been pushing. Like I started doing music, bro, like at a young age, a church. Sisenza into the choir, like I became a choir master, but I didn't know what I had this hip hop thing on me. Well, so I just thought what I know it's just entertainment, arty, umculo, jive, yonke into nje. But then I sang it serious after like 5 years ago I studied because I went to South Africa. I started in music. I did sound engineering, I did music business, I did like music theory. It was like sound technology and all, yabo. So then I got my certificate. I was like, now I can like take it like seriously, yabo. So I started doing music then. That's when I was like, I'm Luche now. Yabo.
And I spoke to your classmates.
Who? Which classmates now? What are you on about right now? Hey, bro, honestly speaking, you see when you're saying classmates, yo,
I went to Luveve High and
yo, dog, yo, Jesus.
And I had to find out about your ex-girlfriends.
You're lying. You're lying. Hey, lo mchitula manga. Yabo lo mchitula manga. I was a shy boy, bro.
I was like, yo, lo. I know. You guys are lying to me. I was saying, lay ex Kamluche, but yeah.
Who? You're lying, wena. You're lying. There's no way.
No, I'm joking, but I got some information.
Yeah, but that's crazy because you know which I'm from Luveva High School. I used to learn.
You started rapping in school.
Yeah, bro. True, bro. Oh, that's crazy, bro. Because I used to recite some of the abozola, like
Yeah,
inkomasi,
yeah,
kuma
yeah.
sitting base, eluvevi lapha. And I was like, that's crazy, dog.
Kasi rap.
Yeah, kasi rap. And be like, one day I want to see myself on TV, and now we're here, dog.
Yeah,
We're
yeah.
on TV. We're outside. Then could any podcast. What you say?
Yeah. And we have worked with big guys, decorated guys, go hip hop.
Yeah,
At some point, you're sharing stage with the late Calvin.
yeah.
Uh,
That was big, bro, dog. Yo, RIP to Calvin. Man.
yeah, and it was a huge team. I remember Tribe. That time it was that's Kala.
Yeah.
You know, there was
But
so
me now,
much
I
talent
wasn't
there.
specifically on Tribe.
Uh-huh.
I was on LV5 Entertainment.
Okay,
So when LV5 Entertainment, it was me, Chimel Kunyana, Kiki M, Schoolboy Q. There was this other kid. He was naming himself Schoolboy Q, and there's Schoolboy Q from States.
Yeah.
But now why is a Schoolboy Q? I was like, dang. Hey, this guy used to rap. I
Yeah,
don't even know where
yeah.
he is right now, but wherever he is, I appreciate you people. I still think of you right now.
Uh-huh.
Uvin knew about us like
Yeah,
as
yeah.
LV5.
Yes,
And
yeah.
then he was doing his thing as a tribe with
Yes,
the Control
yes,
Tribe.
yeah,
Wabo.
yeah.
So by that time, mina bengithanda izinto. Yabo. Like honestly speaking,
Yeah,
bengithanda izinto.
yeah.
Every Kelvin la behamba khona one day to be there because
Yes,
he inspired.
yes. That's why. I
So
thought
that's why
maybe you're
most
part
people
of
think
the
ukuthi I'm part of Tribe,
Because
yeah.
most of the time, bekusithi kungaba le tribe.
Control
akusiyo
Tribe
the-
ngabo GTI yabo Latoya yabo, and we would go together like kuma events ngibabona ukuthi abakhona nami I would go
Yeah.
ngikhiphela imali yami ngithi I know I'm going there, and Uvin would be like yo ntwana angeke usale la, come through. Up to a point where I was like, I want to sign you to Control Tribe. Yabo. But I was like, nah, I think I'm okay. Yeah, but I think I'm
fine for
okay.
now,
Yeah, I think I'm okay because I just wanted to do shit on my own.
Yeah.
Yabo bengifuna ukuzenzela izinto ngiyi-one like and grow by myself ngibona ukuthi kahle kahle ngayenzani because i-Control Tribe obviously bebebabhaya. Yabo
Yeah.
bebaningi kungabo Mawiza, abo GTI, bebebabhaya.
bebaningi,
Yabo, I think
Kwezi.
Noluntu was also part of Control
Yeah, I
Tribe.
think so. I think so.
I don't,
if
I don't know.
remember
I'm not
very
sure,
well.
but yeah.
If I think like ngengambona
Yeah.
ku-
So
it
I
was
knew
a
it was-
huge team.
it was a
actually.
huge
It was
team.
a very huge team.
But umuntu wasuka ku-LV5 waya ku-Control Tribe, it was Chimel Kunyana. When they did Grind Chana, ngizopusha chana, chana Grind Chana. That song, that's the song. Tata Uchimel Kunyana from LV5 yamusa ku-Control Tribe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And now, you know, with that journey Obelayo Lovin and 2023,
Yeah.
you're taking an award that's named after Ovin. What
Bro.
does that mean, bro?
Hey bro, I've been pushy, bro. Like mina been forced that boy. Like yabona umuntu othi I won't give up.
Yeah.
That's me.
Yeah.
I see myself winning BETs, I see myself winning Grammys, and I know one day it's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It's just like 5 years back when I saw myself winning ama-BAs ngesikhathi kuqala.
Yeah.
But I wasn't winning them. But I knew ukuthi one day I'm gonna get that thing.
Yeah.
Yabo,
It's
and
coming.
I did get it.
Yeah.
Yabo.
I think
So I think also Uvin played a big role in Fethu Githi, like he gave us hope. I'm a Blawa hip hop artist
Yes,
because
yes,
we didn't have that mentality of okay, now we're gonna make it, we're gonna be on national radio. Right now, some of us, like me, I'm on international radios, I'm on
Yeah,
international TV stations, yabo, I'm on top 10 channel. I'm everywhere, dog. Honestly speaking, it's because of Vin. Even where I'm at, I always tell them with Vin, bro, played a big role in us, dog.
yeah.
Idlalele indima yakhe, and I'll forever respect him. Even namanje selele mfethu, may he so rest in peace.
Yeah.
We love him. We're still gonna do what he did not do, what he wanted to do. We're still gonna pursue that shit.
Because vision still
Still the same.
We know what he wanted to do.
Yeah.
And yeah, endurance. I think that's what I'm getting the most to
Yeah.
say. You know, imagine mina ngazama uhlabela ingoma yami lapha yo kahle konakala la. But you know, when you know that you've got it in you, with you, like just try very hard to just keep pushing it, just keep flowing, just keep going, because you moved from Ekasi Emagwegwe like to Channel O.
Bro.
Ah.
I was saying,
I was shocked. I think
if you guys go back to 2015, 10 years ago,
yeah.
my first single that I dropped, it's not on digital stores, but it's on YouTube. I had a video of that song. If I can say I was the first artist in BYO to use a GoPro. You know that camera, that small camera. Yeah. I would say that. Because I remember when I dropped that thing, when I dropped the music video, I showed it in Josie. Somebody in the UK, he's from Zim also. He sponsored me. He was like, boy, I see you are pushing. But what is it that you need? I was like, man, I want to shoot a music video. I didn't have a music video. Before, we used to shoot my music video with the phone. Shout out to my boy Utinash, like from my hood. Tinashe always came through. He was one of the first people to have an iPhone in my hood. So I was like, boy, what is it that you want? And he would shoot me. And shoot my video. And I felt bad because I deleted those videos on YouTube. Like, I know this thing now. I say right. But when I'm thinking about it right now, I feel like you needed that. You needed but I still have those. I think I would have to re-upload the videos.
Yes, you have to.
Utinashi shot me a couple of videos, bro. Like, we shot my videos in the iPhone yake, and then I would go and edit engine using this other software on a PC. It was like free software. So, and then when that guy from the UK came to me and asked me on Facebook. I was like, boy, I see you are pushing. What is it that you need? I was like, I want to shoot a music video. I was like, okay, fine. How much are music videos? 2015 there was a guy. That guy, bro, he's a big bro from my hood also, but he was in Jaws. So that's the only person that I knew who was doing videos. But he was specializing on a video where, like, chat or a party, you know those videos. That guy had bought his pen, my GoPro, whatever, my drone, like, let's just cut. So when we shot that video, I told that guy, like, I need a video. He was like, okay, fine. I'll talk to Cosmas and then he will shoot you a video. I'll pay him. I'll do a direct payment to him. And then I'll shoot. That's why I was so good. Yo, if one person, I don't have to let him down. I just have to keep on going. That guy paid 5,000 rands by that time, 2015, for a music video. He paid it straight. He sent me a receipt. I was like, yo, bro, I've paid. Enjoy your video shoot. I went there. I think it was downtown in Jersey. We shot a video. Yo, the video was nice. Yeah, but to other kids here in the country, like in BYO, they were like, oh, this video is not the one.
It's not.
Because I was using a GoPro. Like, I was sitting on your chair and then I was holding a GoPro like this. I was busy moving. You see those office chairs? Yeah, it was a GoPro. And then they were like, I'll shoot the music video in a selfie stick. I was like, fair, it's fine. But now when I'm thinking about it, I'm like, but probably I was the first person to do that thing. Even if we go back to my videos, 2015, I was a BYO. Nobody used the GoPro. Let's just cut. I was like, that's crazy. Yeah, so that guy really made sure my self-esteem is par. Get right, like, get push. I can't do anything. I'm fitting. I complain. Up to until I'm on my own. Yeah, boss, and push and hamang figure much thing. Let's just do some things. Yeah, but yeah, shout out to him, bro. Shout out to Fortune, bro.
Yeah, and now the move from Zim to SA outside school. Did it because I've had some artists that are saying prangale we are lile, right? I'm like, okay. So you back this side and like, yeah, I'm back this side and then you have some again that will say, it's working for me that side.
Yeah.
How is it? What's the difference between hard push this side and hard push that side? Is it working for you?
Hard push this side. I honestly don't want to say much because I haven't been here for a long time. Like, I haven't pushed much this side. I pushed when I was still an upcoming artist, but I didn't see what was going on. The only people who gave me a chance were Abo Mambaz or Abo Kunkala. Those are the people who were like, I'm fine, we believe in you. Like, come to Ibumba Festival. Like, I would headline Ibumba Festival as an upcoming artist. Performing
Yes, Square.
Those things would go and perform there. I was like, That's all. Mina phela I used to perform nomzo.
Yeah.
I used to be an opening act kamzo. Ngesikhathi eshaya kwasa kwasa.
Eh.
Ngangigcoka iskipa sikamzo.
Kwasa, eh.
Yeah, kwasa kwasa. Ngikamba ngithi so asabe so perform. Umzo would be like boy say asabe don't worry I'm gonna get you in. Yabo. So I used to be that person ukuthi anything bro like I'd go and make sure I'm there. As long as there is artist, music, whatever, I'll
I'm
make
there.
sure I'm there. Yabo. So the reason why I moved to SA, I went to study. Yabo. I went to SA to study. I studied sound engineering, like I was telling
Yes,
you.
yes,
Yabo. I tuned sound engineering for like 2 years. But then I realized ukuthi sengifundile music business. Let me try to use it that side.
Okay.
Because this side, I don't want to lie to you. Most people are complaining about Zemura, that they're complaining about a lot of things.
Yeah.
Yabo. They are complaining like Yaboni Zemura manje had a scandal of not paying an artist, of paying them peanuts. There I went aside, I joined Sambro. Sambro collects royalties even from Skies Metro FM. Even from Krumani FM. Yabo. So when you know what you are registered, everything is on point. You don't need to be famous. As long as you can live life, ube right to be stable, khona ukhokhe rent, khona ukuthatha ingane. Because my sesabo baba dog, like asenga abantwana abancane. So we need even those few cents ukuthi mfethu ingane yami lele idlile yonke into right, angina problem. Yabo. So I decided to okay, I'll stick that side in SA because it was working for me in terms of I managed to get myself on TV without paying everybody. Anybody, sorry. I managed to get myself on TV. I managed to get myself on playlist. The first song that got on Spotify playlist, it was me and this guy, Slim Pimp. We did a song called bro, what was that song?
It's gone.
Slim. It's gone, this one.
He's writing an album.
Yo, it's sleeping, bro. Yo, it's crazy. The song that we did was I forgot that song. But that was the song that we did. Yangena ku editorial playlist ku Spotify. I was like, I fed. I must stick to this. I went to YFM, got only chance ku show ye hip hop. And then ngahamba ku Metro FM, got only chance ku show ka Oskido. What was that show? It was a show about upcoming artists, 5 minutes of fame with Oskido. Yeah.
Yes,
I got that show.
Yeah,
I was like, oh, that's crazy. So much I can push. So the reason what made me stay is nothing ngithole lezi zinto. After about 6 months, all I still do my shit like ngisastart and stuff like that. Ngabona my royalties angena ngoba I registered esamba. Yabo. Ngabona okay, there's something here. So ever since from then, I've been pushing that side. I've been trying to get gigs that side. I've been trying. It's not easy at all. Trust me. Those people who are telling you good time it's not easy. They are telling the truth. It's not easy. It's not like you're gonna wake up and be on TV. It's not like it's not easy. Yeah, but I made sure I make it work.
Yeah. And I think it's important, especially for I'm a hip hop artist, upcoming, especially because I've been listening like
bro, hip hop is different, bro. Like hip hop is not like house. It's not like any other genre of music whereby you can wake up. It's not Kosana, bro. I don't wanna lie to you, bro. Hip hop, we are not here, bro. Like Uber, no, I'm serious, bro.
I hear you.
You guys, I must say it honestly, dog. Abantu they like easy the just for fun. Dog. Right now, Matala Mfethu, you was that side asking people like, yo, I'm a celebrity, stuff like that. In Jose, Cambridge. Because of abantu abamyenga. Kuyahlekelela yonke into 2 seconds lenti dope. It's not easy, dog. It's not easy.
It's not an easy.
So
somebody had to say that, not me.
I'm not scared. I'm an artist. They can cancel me tomorrow. I'll still get my shit in order, bro. I'm not scared. Honest, guys, I'm telling you right now. Yekelani into yokuthi yonke into la ihlekelela. Lalo abantu besenza itakla le abahlekelela. It's not easy. Yeah, but you can say, lina lingabese wathwa lifuna ukuzenza lina abangcono lifuna ukuyenza ngathi wawumbeli njani bafethu into le enzima le music is hard
Yeah.
especially for people who are from Bulawayo.
Yeah.
It's hard for us.
Yeah.
Kwalivi noma Jiva no Calvin, it's hard for us.
Yeah,
told.
true, true.
It's not easy, bro. It's
No,
not
it's
easy.
not, it's
We have
not.
to keep pushing. We have to make sure we've got each other's back. But linga underestimate abantu njalo futhi linga support into elibona ukuthi lento le idoti lisitshele majethu ukuthi yabona mfana mla
Lapho wenzanga sharp la yeah.
Tell us not ukuthi just because you ufuna mina ngiyuthi angumngani wakho ngoba ngibuyile mvele egoli usufuna ngithele utshwala wena
sokuthiwa uyabulala
ngitshela iqiniso ukuthi mluje indoda la uyabhimba la uyenza into wrong yenza into ekahle yenza so ungaphoka ugijimela ukuthi because awusikhosana uyatrend ukutrenda mfethu kuyaphela kusasa uyasala ngela lutho ngama trend because when you are trending people are not buying your music.
Yeah, please say that again.
When you are trending for that week and people are not buying your music, they are pirating your music. Bayashelana ku WhatsApp ayikaze yabhadala up to until now osukhona khona ukufaka ingoma ku status u-add ingoma yomuntu kuma digital stores but lakho ngama few cents. It's not like it's much. Uyabo. But WhatsApp ayikaze yabhadala amajets. So eqinisweni asamena ukuthi sitshelane namaqiniso mawuthi nami ngenza itakla call me out it's fine ngenza itakla ngizoqhubeka ngiphusha itakla yami but lingangiqambele amanga lithi mluje wena untswempu uyabulala because ilifuna ngithenga utshwala ngoba kusasa mangingasela imali yotshwala lizongenza njengosikhosana.
Thumela ubasket.
Amfuna utshela amanga podcast.
Yeah. No, I think it's high time that especially you guys that are doing it have to start saying it as it is because it gets difficult for us. And
I know. When you guys said get to ngabo bani laba abafuna ukuzenza bona podcast hlabela yakhe ingoma. But it's not about that. It's about umuntu olalele obonayo ukuthi amfethu. Ask yourself ukuthi why ingoma zasemzini ezibhali zingangene ku TV.
Yeah.
Abantu bakhala ukuthi ingoma ziyabhadalelwa. Yes, vele ingoma ziyabhadalelwa. But if you have a proper song and a proper music video, you can get yourself to TV.
Yeah, true.
True. Without even paying anything.
Yeah, true.
There's a lot of people I've seen on TV. I've seen him on SABC. I've seen him on Channel O. I've seen DJ Jabs. DJ Jabs was like, he's one of my brothers. I was like, DJ Jabs, let's do this thing. I've seen Prusella. I even sent him a video. I was like, Prusella, I saw your video on Channel O. Congratulations. I even took a video and sent that video to her because I knew it will help boost ukuthi abantu bangasithatheli phansi ngaleyo ndlela. There are people who are doing nice shit. Not ukuthi just because lina libona usikhosana esenza so abanye abantu bakhuluma ku Facebook bathi Ntswempu kodwa mabehamba la estradeni bamba besithi afile kopulayo lenza amasimba mathebeleleni lezi idoti
and so we reference everyone one guy that's true.
So ngiyacela bafethu like let's try to help each other if ukuthi kumele sitshele iqiniso sitshele iqiniso lingasitshela amanga.
Then Lina now internally as ama MCs as ama rappers letshelana yini uthi bra ngizwe track lakho la libi.
Mina definitely mina honestly sengikhuluma iqiniso. I try bra to tell. Yabo. It's like there's this boy bra uBrett Rams. I don't know if you guys know him but he used to have a song with Abo Calvin back then ubhekela phansi.
Okay, yeah.
He was telling people that I'm the first artist from Bulawayo to have 10 million views. Yeah, I understand. I'm like,
wow.
Bruh, you know those are numbers for Drake in 2 weeks. About Drake it up. About Drake, 10 million my fate is too much in 2 weeks. But he was talking about impressions. So sometimes I think abantu babengakwazi what is this, what is that. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
He was talking about my impressions of maybe 10 million people have seen this thing. Maybe Usherile. Obviously, Usherile, people see it, but they don't stream. Yes. They will see it on Facebook. They will see it on Twitter. You know, digital stores, they collect those dates. But Ubeka Kuluma as if he had sold 10 million streams. You understand? So I corrected that guy and he deleted that post. And it didn't sit well with him. So after that, I knew what mfethu angisafuna ukungena indaba zama rapper like deep that. Amachita, they always think that they know everything.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, they don't know shit, bro.
Yeah.
We are working so hard every day and we are releasing our songs on YouTube. And our YouTube is not monetized. We take time to drop. We take like 5 months to drop. How are you gonna get 1,000 1,000 hours? Is it 4,000 hours on YouTube for you to be monetized?
Yeah.
When you're dropping 3 months,
One
after
track.
3 months, one track you're dropping after 5 months, and that track it does like 200 views. You are going around telling people that I'm the biggest, but you're actually not the biggest.
Yeah.
I understand. So I'm a rapper. I think rapper. It's all about ego. It's all about it's me, I'm him, and stuff like that. We don't want to tell each other the truth.
Yeah.
And then for me, it becomes difficult to tell another rapper because you have DC.
Oh yeah. I've seen a lot about that. I actually wanted to
Yeah,
understand.
fuck,
Is it a culture or what? Because I've seen almost everyone being dissed. Recently, I listened to it Disga ASF. I've forgotten the name of the artist.
Prisa.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
Prisa, bro. I love Prisa.
Is it a culture?
I love
How
Prisa,
do you
bro.
guys do
I don't
it?
want to lie to you. You see me now, my songs, I have a song, it's called Labangane. It's sitting on
Yes,
like,
I know Labangane.
48,000 views right now on YouTube. Like, genuine views. I didn't buy those views. That's why you see, like, I'm still struggling to even, like, get enough money out of that shit.
Yeah.
Like, I'm getting few cents from YouTube. Because remember, ezinye izinto mfethu like zibuya ngokuthi ingoma idlalwe kuphi. Ama streams ase United States nama streams ala eMzansi oeJoes la eZimbabwe awafani.
Yeah.
When unga stream manje ingoma idlale 10 times izogaya maybe 10 cents. United States bayidlale 10 times izogaya maybe 50 cents.
Oh.
So sometimes it depends ukuthi ingoma idlalwe kuphi kanjani. So that guy Clive Beat is the one who produced that song, like Ulabangani is the one who produced Uvutiwe. Like he has produced some of my songs, and he's the one who's producing for Prisa most of the times.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but Elo Prisa, I understand where he's coming from. He made sure with Uyangena Ekemi. About Kelvin, they did that thing. They used to diss each other labo A-Safe. They used to diss each other labo Utoni labo Tobando mfano hlabelo Chiporan.
From Kweru. I think it's from Kweru.
Yeah.
In his name, yeah.
Yeah. They used to diss it like Case Mesh. We have had beefs in BYO since. But to tell you the truth, they've never worked.
Yeah. Because
I was 7
that's what I wanted to find out to say. When you do Amadise and Ulawana, is it for the culture? What's happening? Is it personal? Give us light. Give us light. Because when you're listening, mina ngiyethanda mawulalela ama-distrack more than anything.
It's
and Neben says, yo.
Ama-distrack. Kumnandi.
Yo, and then.
Amnandi ama-distrack. You enjoy for that, for that moment.
Enjoy but that's for that moment. Yeah.
But tomorrow I know for sure when it's office with yo. Uprisa yabona mayingangena kuleya ngoma nomsis K uma ingangena kuleya ngoma noZibani uma ingangena kuleya ngoma noASF uma ingangena kuleya ngoma nomLuJ kungaphuma something.
Yeah, something solid.
Yeah. Nice yabo. Radio friendly into ezi right. But then mase disile abanye abantu they take it personal instead of not taking personal. It's a sport, bro. It's a sport. This thing, even right now, if bangangidisa, I'm fit. Obviously, I'd catch feelings. But 2-3 days after, it's not like when you come to me and be like, poison, let's work. I'm going to say no because you dissed me. No, I'm not going to say that. I know my end goal. I know for Umchita or for me and myself. I know, bro. Like, I've been in this industry for a while. It's not easy for all of us. So when if you think just because back to Sile, now you want to distance yourself and not work, even in football. Because honestly speaking, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. The reason why he dissed, he hates them or he wanted to put a name for himself out there. I don't really know. But what I know is that he did put a name for himself out there.
Yeah.
He was at Shoko Festival.
Yeah.
How many people? Even me, I've never been to Shoko Festival.
Yeah.
But he managed to go to Shoko Festival.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
worked for him.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah, I
it did.
understand.
Yeah.
It doesn't work for other people. It doesn't work. It also, you know, the other thing is that when you are dissing people, you also need to put out tracks.
Oh, so that we
Which
can
are not-
follow
we
up.
can-
Yes, after
you
the
need to
diss,
follow
then I
up.
just check what else is this guy doing.
He did that.
Sengithola futhi good
He
music
did
behind
that.
that.
He did
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
He made sure
Yeah,
he He made sure that he had A-Safe on that shit. Yeah, but he remains. He made sure he had Arab pills
Mm-hmm.
on that shit. Yeah, but now from H-Town, you know, with people are tapped into BYO hip hop.
Yeah.
So I'm at this track. They work, but sometimes they don't work. So it's up to you what you need. But if you want to benefit money-wise from them, you need to be smart. You don't just need to diss abantu and then not do a follow-up. Umsebenzi olandelayo ukuthi abantu bebekwazi ukuthi okay fine, he's still around. Yabo. So yeah, man, I think diss tracks, they work, but sometimes they don't work.
And
It depends on what you are doing. It depends with your end goal.
Yeah.
Ukuthi exactly the time uqala usithi ufuna ukudisa abantu, what was your end goal?
yeah. What did you want to
Because
achieve?
ama-diss bafethu siyawabukela ku-YouTube kuphele khona la.
That's always the thing. It's
Yeah.
like,
Siyabukela
Bella
ku-YouTube
Trend,
kuphele
let this
khona
then, how shade.
Yeah.
And we quickly forget. That's the problem with my district.
Yeah.
Because I can listen to it 90 times.
You cannot.
If I listen to it now, then ngilalele futhi okwesithunga ngithi buzz, then I'm done.
Yeah.
Ngisalalele
Done, bro.
futhi, yeah. So if there's no follow up in them, yes, okay,
Yeah.
then what? Then sometimes it's good market again for the guy that we are dissing. Because
True.
I'll start checking out who's ASAP.
Who's A-Safe? Who is Mluche? Who is who? Who is POI? Who is that?
Yeah.
But as Amachita Goblawayo, what we need to do is to have more collaborations, more than diss tracks. We need to make sure we work together. And ukusebenzisana does not mean bootlicking each other.
Yeah.
Amelanga sincengana,
Yeah. It's a span.
siyaspan. We have to know. And also we don't have to use each other. Ukuthi yeah, just because when ufuna ukusebenza la I'm gonna use you. No, it doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
Make sure what you are working genuinely, dog. Like ufuna ukuspana nabantu abavele labo befuna ukuspana.
Yeah,
Yeah,
true. Yeah, we are in chat with Umlungis.
We are outside. Full name, government name.
Umlungis, yeah. We're in chat with Umluche live khonapha at Enkundleni exclusive, proudly brought to you by Dep3 Events. Interesting conversations, like I always say. We've got talent, we've got energy, we've got everything that we need to make Bulawayo to be exactly what Bulawayo has to be. We are selling Bulawayo through our music, we are selling Bulawayo through our art, and we are not only selling Bulawayo, we are selling Zimbabwe, we are selling Matebele, and we are showing people out there ukuthi we've got talent, we've got music, we've got everything. And before I close, Mluche, you talked about the issue of collaboration. Have you made any efforts now that you have managed to open some few platforms, few channels with the Likely effort or whatever, wherever you are, like kulama railway amancane that we have seen? For example, for me, it's two things. First, there are guys here, young, old, upcoming, and that are already there. They want to be on Channel O as well. They want to be on international
I was actually
radios.
gonna get to that point.
Yeah. Then also the issue of registration. Most of my artists, especially young guys that are hip hop, they're not registered with anything. They're just doing music.
Yeah.
I don't know. They expect us to take money from our pockets and say, "Oh, but there are
It
channels
doesn't,
where you can."
it doesn't work like that. Though.
Yeah.
You know, like I'm companies like, I don't know this side in Zim, but in SA, like clubs, they pay licenses for playing music.
Mhm.
Yeah, but like when you're outside in a club, you are performing. Easily go to Sambro. You go to Sambro. There's what can I say? In SA, there are different channels that you need to follow. Ne? Like you have to register a song with Sambro, you have to register a song with Sambra. I forgot what kahle kusho la South African Music Rights Organization, that's Sambro. Ne? And then there's Sambra. Sambra is South African Performance what. And then there's Capasso also. So those things, bro, and research to get an ISRC code. because most of the guys they use about Dito, about I can say DistroKid and stuff like that, but they get those ISRC code, but they don't get the actual money from publishing, from when your song is being played on TV or on radio, when your song is being played on movies, or maybe let's say you guys are doing a movie and you want to score my music on your film.
On the
Yeah,
film,
well,
yeah.
there are some steps that we need to take. Yeah, but eziziphilisana things ezingakwenza ukuthi even noma kuthiwa udubeka kanjani dog, like even kuthiwa ukho famous, can never go home, bro, like ungelanto yokuthengela abantwana bakhe isinga.
You've got
Yabo.
something.
If
yeah.
you know good your song made it there, you know good you've got something. So what I've realized is that amachita amaningi they quickly drop music without registering,
True.
and that's killing us.
Yeah.
You never know which song is gonna be a hit.
Definitely.
So
Definitely.
we have to make sure ukuthi mina, that's why I always tell myself, I'm like, mina maybe hiko ngadumi ngibe a list artist like like yabona laba abantu, because I'm so woke, bro. Like I follow up, I research, I make sure ukuthi yonke into engiyenzayo is registered. Mina, if you use my song right now, take a video, play my song, post it on Facebook or post it where, trust me, they'll come and claim a percentage of your money that you're doing as long as you are monetized.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So those are the things that we need to also look at. Which, okay, fine, I'm here, I'm recording. What is it? And also when we're at the studio, do split sheets. Split sheets are very important. It's like, mina tomorrow, mfethu, I will span with you. And be like, as a span, a big dog. Let's do a song. Se recording ngoma. You don't sign a split sheet. I take the song and go and upload it. I put it there. Mina, I'm registered on Sambro. When you're not registered on Sambro. So Sambro, it's either you're registered on Sambro or Zimura. I don't know how Zimura works, but it also has to collect money from other countries. Because obviously music gets played over other countries, over Zambia, Botswana. You know, as artists, we are always pushing music. Be like, bro, we are from Botswana radio station. Please play my song.
Play my song.
So those things they made. If a song gets played there, it has to flag. Go radio monitor. Okay, fine. We played the song. Umluche has to get something. The radio station has to have details. Or okay, fine. We play Tingoma Gamluche. Even when they are submitting to whatever company that registered with that radio station, a collect royalties, they need to make sure what Lengoma is submitting. So one thing is that Amachita, they don't register their songs. One, they drop songs. Two, they don't sign a split sheet a studio. Yabo. After making a song. Mina, masa ngithethe ingoma ngahamba ngayifaka. That's the only person who asked me for a split sheet in PYO. It's Luminous, dog. Luminous is registered with Sambro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the song is out and it's making money, that money does not come straight to me, yonke. If we are accounting to who's on the split sheet. If I said maybe you produced the song, mina ngangena ngama vocals. When I are not registered as Sambro, when I am, I'll only take my 50%. They will send me my 50% of writing because my name is Dame Lungisi Dombomo as a composer on my publisher and also as a music writer. When I as a producer, as the music maker, because making beats, that's the music. Yeah, but when I as the music maker,
Nothing.
you're gonna get nothing because you're not registered.
Not
with anyone.
registered,
And when you come to me and you ask me royalties, I'll tell you go to Sam or go to Zimura. Did you register with Zimura?
No.
Go and ask Zimura to give you your money. Those people buy totally a mali, buy idla bona.
Because no.
Ihlala isemoyeni. No one is coming to claim that money.
So I ngeke phela
The song is making money. It's saying okay, fine. It's 50-50. Me and you, we saying I'm species at 50-50. But you know you are not registered. Mina bazongicisha i-50% yakho banka i-50% yami ekamlungisi Demon ngoba registered eyakho iselekiwe. You understand? And for you to claim it, kuzothatha isikhathi.
Yeah, because you need
Because
to
you were not
register,
registered.
and when the song was being played, ubungakabi registered,
Ubungakabi
so you
registered.
can claim for that song.
You now have to have a radio monitor and follow up and be like, yeah, me, I know my song was played this day, this day, this day. I know my song played on this day. You need to go and pay radio monitor for it to tell you ukuthi ingoma yakho ever since you dropped it. It dropping ngaleso sikhathi yazophuma. Like you dropped it today, yadlala ku TV ngaleso sikhathi, yadlala nini ngaleso sikhathi. Leya mali is sitting there. What do you think they do with that money, bro? Abantu abasebenza mabebona imali semoyeni. Ngeke phela abantu ababelale bengadlanga engazi ukuthi wena ubuya ngakholect imali yakho register. They take that money.
Yeah.
So I always advise amaji to bafethu, get your papers in order. You have your ID. Make sure you register. If you don't, because you cannot register as a Mura, open to register as a Samba.
Oh,
They will reflect. They will see you to know you are registered with another organization. So international, most people they register with BMI, and then HOs or Southern Africa we register with Sambro, and then depending on which country is collecting royalties for you, like depending on which society is collecting royalties for you, a country nyako. So I didn't register with Zimur. I registered with Sambro because it works better for me.
Oh yeah.
So abantu abaregister Zimura now they should follow up. Not ukuthi masisipane nami and expect ukuthi mina ngizobuya ngimnika ama royalties wami engiwathole Sambro. Ngawami la ma royalties.
Yena kayiklema wakhe.
Kayiklema wakhe lapha register khona.
Yeah.
Makuyukuthi uzobatshela ukuthi yo but this song has been playing on TV. Me I would always provide proof. There is proof ukuthi ingoma idlalile, especially if you collaborated with me. But if it did not play on TV, we lost because ayikho into nami engigainile. I just gained with other songs that managed to be on TV.
Huge. I think especially I think everyone needs to know this. Agula with to upcoming on Lama Award. I think everyone needs to know this.
I have people
because we have people that have dropped good music but never ate anything from
people. They are always thinking of being on TV.
Yeah,
that's the whole. It's a problem, bro. You cannot always, guys. Me, I'm telling you, being on TV does not mean you're gonna get money. You need to have your papers in order.
Yeah, you
can be on TV 7 days a week, bro. Imali yako if you did not register the song. But remember, this is a business. It's like everything has a barcode.
It is, bro.
When you're going to Spar to buy it, that's why it's called. There is publishing. There is what publishing. Dog, like you go to Spar, you know, good. You have a product that you're selling. You are selling capes. Okay, fine. They take them to 8 guys. All those capes they need to have a barcode. Good. Okay, fine. Uprazo uskaya ama cape out 10. Those capes you know with alele barcode. Mastenga is a scanny barcode. That's why a shop mabe uteng into this scan. Yeah, music it has to be like that. You cannot just walk into a shop and buy shit. And this is not a spaza shop. Spaza shop that they don't pay taxes. So how you gonna get your money? It's more like parity.
Yeah.
It's more like parity.
You're parroting your own music, actually. Yeah.
So make sure ukuthi ingoma zakho registered. Follow up. Register your music. Make sure ukuthi la ingoma ezidlalwa khona, you know. Oh, it's okay, fine. Idlalile this guy's method. Have radio monitor. Some things they take money. Like a radio monitor, you pay for it. Especially in SA. You pay for it for one song. You pay maybe I think 200 rand. If you know that that song was being played on radio, obviously you know. You're gonna have to pay for it and track ukuthi. Okay, fine. Idlale kanja. Because you know you have seen the song playing on TV. You have seen the song playing on radio. You have heard the song playing on radio. So idlale kanjani. Abantu ababhaya, they don't do that. As long as ingoma yabo idlalile ku TV. Ngiku channel ngiku MTV place. I made it. But 2 years down the line, we're gonna ask you mfethu wena sekubonile ku TV kanti kwenzakalani?
And izinto straight.
And TV doesn't pay that much. Doesn't pay that much. Trust me, they pay with seconds. If a song is 2 seconds and there's a Mapiano Pro is having like 4 minutes song, who do you think is gonna eat the most? Because he has been on TV for a longer period than you. Ube ku TV for 4 minutes or ube ku TV for 2 minutes. You are doing hip hop. You think ukuthi wena uzoyithola imali elingana la Mapiano Pros? Akuvumi.
Yeah.
Akuvumi.
It's really interesting. I love such episodes where we get to like grind on the truth as it is, where we get to know more about this musical journey, because I feel like people think music doesn't pay, but actually I have a second thought that it does pay.
You just need to make sure
does.
kufana mfethu la semsebenzini, like emsebenzini uyabukwazi ukuthi la ngiyemsebenzini ngisayinele contract ngiyasebenza, but wena if you know ukuthi sipusha namajita, uyabona ukuthi umjita wakho yenza imali, uyayenza imali nasiya imali, and siyaphusha, we just trying to grow our names. What are you growing, dog? Because umsebenzi uyawubona nanku uyaphusha, uyabona ukuthi isipani siyaphusha. Obviously there's a channel. Lo muntu oyi-one, definitely he knows ukuthi yena is gonna get something out of this thing. Yabo. So it's always like that. Music uyabhadala, but if ungekho, yabona, I'll make an example with this thing. Ejozini, I'm sorry guys, but I'm telling the truth right now. If you wanna be on rotation like every day, you need to pay. I don't know who you have to pay. I'm not gonna say it, but you need
Someone
to pay.
has to get something. Yeah.
Imagine if, let's say a song is a play, ne? They count in seconds. Ne? Wait, okay, fine, ngoma yakho idlale kangaka. And then you are being played with MTV base. And remember, the stations, they pay differently. It's not like EZBC is the same. No, it's different. MTV is differently, Channel O is differently, wherever SA Music is differently. But if your song is playing every day on different channels, or even if it plays 10 times, how many times have you seen Big Zulu on TV, bro?
Yeah, too much.
Every segment, you always see Big Zulu.
Too much.
Bro, music, you need to spend money for you to make money. You need to pay for airplay. You pay for airplay, you make sure that your music, because remember, ezinye ingoma ziyaduma ku TikTok, ezinye ingoma ziduma ku TV. Lezi eziduma ku TV, if wena udlalelwe 45 times a day, calculate that 45 times 45 rand. Or let's say he's paying 45 rand or he's paying 30 rand. 45 times every day times 3 months. That's why I told you, even ungahamba ngaphi, Electromode changed to Virgin Music. Before, they would say 18,000 rands for only 3 months for your song to be on rotation. They'll put it on TV, they'll put it on, because they make sure the song is registered. Everything is now. That's why you see these big artists, they pay such amounts. Yikho sidinga imbinga. Ukuthi imbinga ngoza la unginikeze
ungifakele 18
18,000 ngifake ingoma yami ku TV idlale for 5 months izodlala every day. I-TV abantu enye into akumele bayi understand, because you're on TV today does not mean tomorrow uzokubhadala.
Yeah.
Ejozi, it takes 1 year. The songs that were played last year, they are ama-payouts wabo
Aphuma manje. Yeah.
awaphumanga last year,
Yeah.
aphuma this year. Ubabona big because the song was on rotation. People know the song. Yabo, people know the song ezindlini. Everywhere they know the song. They are not getting that money aba ephume ku TV. They are getting the money from gigs, because abantu bayaba request.
Yeah.
They like, come to our gig, we're gonna pay you this money.
Yeah.
But imali ephuma kuma royalties,
Ayikaphumi.
ayikaphumi.
Yeah.
So when you are there asking, my song was being played on TV, why am I not getting money? You're not getting money because it's not yet the time. Yeah, I understand. It's not yet the time. Utilize that thing yokuthi ingoma yakho idlale ku TV, get gigs.
Exposure,
Get
gigs.
exposure, get gigs.
Be
Make sure you
everywhere.
get some endorsements.
Yeah.
Collect that money.
Yeah.
Yabo. But ungathatha le nto yokuthi just because bengiku TV kusasa sovuka ufuna imali. Avela kubhadali lokho ku music. Trust me, one day uzothi relax ubona statement singena zithi ingoma yakho idlale 45,000 times, there is your money.
Sure. Yeah.
That's why you need to register. Make sure you are registered.
Massive.
Yabo. So if we don't register as an artist right now and you are pushing so bad, it's kuzosishaya thina in the long run.
Yeah.
Kuzosishaya in the long run ngoba fethu in the long run uzobona abantu besidla imali ongazange wena akade ungabe nawe uyayiza
Yeah,
ngoba
yeah.
wena
And
usazange
you don't know
wafuna
ukuthi bayidla
uregister.
njani.
Yeah,
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
So guys,
Massive.
before we continue to anything, make sure you register your songs, guys.
Mm-hmm.
When you drop your songs, make sure you know what you have registered your songs. I don't know what you guys are using, which association like Abo Zimura, Abo Sam, but Samro is for free, gents. Samro, you go to Samro website, you just Google Samro, you go to Samro, even if you're in Zimbabwe, even if you're in Botswana, you can register with Samro because we're Southern Africa. It collects for Southern Africa. So when I go there, register your music, register your name, register yourself as a publisher. Yabo, register ibizo lakho as a publisher. When you're distributing your songs on digital stores, they don't give you 100% royalties. Noma ngazubona i-advert ye-Dito Music, i-advert ye-DistroKid, sithi, yeah, you get 100% of your royalties. They are capping. What you need to do is tata ingoma le oyiregister nge-Dito Music and register other organizations because kunemali ephuma eKhapaso abayithatha online from YouTube, from ama-digital stores, from ama-downloads. The money that goes to Khapaso, that does not come straight from kuma digital stores like about iTunes, Spotify, and stuff like that. So tell you what is Spotify when it's supposed to give you R5 in all. But when a video guy R8, eyinye R3 ihambe da kuKhapaso, but izoba stuck because when usitshela ukuthi mina vele ngizuza 100% kuSamba. You need kuma digital stores, you need to register with other associations. Abo Zimura, find out, research, research. Take time to research. Don't just drop because you are trending. People are telling you that you are dope. Sizohlala sitshela you are dope and uzophelela lapho.
Ungela next. You be dope
Japhelela lapho sisihlalele nathi. Mfethu, we need to dress ourselves, we need to pay rent, we need to have food on the table, we need to pay school fees for our kids, we need to take care of our parents, bruh. Kumele sibanakekele. Asingayi-underestimate ama-talent esinawo nama-gift esinawo. We need to push, gents.
Yeah, we need to push. Yeah. Interesting, like I said, we are in conversation and this is how we do it and this is how we always do it. This is Enkundleni exclusive. Interesting conversation with Umluche. Umluche, namhlanje unkolonizile. I wanted to grill him, but he brought important information. Then I decided, no, I'm not going to grill this nigga. This nigga is not grillable.
You grill me, bro. I'll tell you the truth, bro. Like, I'm not scared. You can grill me. I'm not lying. These niggas are lying. Like, these rappers are lying. They're not even like famous, though. Like they're lying. They're famous for that moment, dog. Tomorrow, tomorrow, even if say umadala, I know for sure. Ukuthi ngoma yami engidrophe this year izobe lokhu ngibhadala as long as idlalwa. As long as, right now I have songs kuma Vodacom like as a caller tune. If you call my line elase call ingoma yami idlala. Because I registered the song. I make sure ukuthi I ask my publisher. I work with Turn Up Music, by the way. Kunabo Reason, kunabo Chichilamen. Those guys, they don't care whether you are. I've always told people, even on Channel O, I told people, bro, I was like, I posted a video. I was like, guys, if you want to get your music on Channel O, you can do it yourself. Stop waiting every time you want to get shit on TV. You're like, so how much can I pay? Do you think if you come to me and be like, how much can I pay Zoyala?
Never.
Because mina ingane yami ifuna ukudla nje. Umntana endlini ngizothatha imali. But if you come to me and be like, bros,
how do I do it?
Mntwana yami, because amanye badala kunami. Mntwana yami, ngenza kanjani?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'll show you, bro. 100%. I'll
Yeah.
show you the way. Uzenzele wedwa.
Yeah.
If you are not registered, it's up to you. Angifuni ukusasa ubusubuya ke msusithi but wena ngowafa ingoma yami ku TV. Why is it that I'm not getting paid?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I've always shown people ukuthi uyenza kanjani. It's just that unema abantu and be like, lo ngamsiza. It's work.
Yeah.
But trust me, real ones they know, bro. Like here in BYO, most people, you see them on TV. I've told them with our gents,
do it this way. Yeah.
Zenzele wedwa.
Yeah.
If the internet is gonna be a problem, it's fine. Go to Enkundleni, go to FBC, kunama internet what this sport what
Yeah,
what.
yeah.
What
We
they
can
do
assist
that
you
and
actually.
assist, dog.
And Lati as Step 3 events, we have always laid out a call to say, if you need assistance, woo, but yo,
Bro, I don't want to lie to you, bro.
you don't see anyone.
I
You
don't
don't
want to
see
lie
anyone.
to you,
Because
bro.
Tina, let me say we are slightly privileged because today I'm talking to you, tomorrow I'm talking to someone else, the next
Different
day. And I'm
people.
getting
And we have
information
different opinions.
And so I have like the whole package of information, even Senkotliwe. I can just refer to, okay, I spoke to Mluche that day and he was talking about Sampro. So
Bro.
let me just listen to that. So when you then now say, guys, let's come and talk about these things.
Abafuna manje
Yeah,
when
yeah.
they want to see themselves on TV.
On TV,
And that's
yeah.
fucked up.
Yeah, yeah.
You just don't want to see yourself on TV without getting anything.
Yeah.
First, find out, okay, fine. If I'm going to be on TV, what is it that I'm going to get?
Yeah, from that TV.
Being on TV does not mean that, especially us, dog. Like, I was telling you, we need to pay, where do you think I'm going to get 18,000 rands to pay for one song?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't have it.
Iko vele,
But
yeah.
my songs play on TV. Yeah, I understand. They play, but they don't play like ingoma ezibhatalelwe. Kunengoma ezibhatalelwe, le ngoma ezingabhatalelwanga. Lezo ngoma ezibhatalelwe, they are here. Ekhanda lakho, you see them every day. You hear them every day. Because if when uzobona ingoma ku TV every day, uzoyithatha uyifake estickini sakho, uhambe uyichaya every day.
Definitely. Yeah.
But mina uzongibona ka1 ku TV.
Yeah.
Uzombona ku channel Mluche sweet. Next week bang drop a video uzombona futhi. Ngoba mina I submit and they will accept.
Yeah.
You understand? Uzongibona futhi.
We are so cautious of our standards. When I'm
Bafuna.
doing a video, it needs to be here. When I'm doing a song, it needs to be here. So awusacompete. So le standard sakho.
Sengikwazi ukuthi if manje ngingaduma, ngingathi ngifuna ukuduma. I just wish bafethu if there is someone who's willing to invest on me, I'm available, gents. We can do a deal. I'm telling you guys from Enkundleni podcast, this is the first time I'm saying this. If we Mbinga and you think you want to invest your money, come to me. I will help you invest your money with me. Take my songs, put them on TV. Make sure you pay all of that shit. You find go Miami Dlalu TV every day. Trust me, after 1 year, you're gonna get your money times 2.
Yeah. And it brings to where do we find you? Important question.
Bro, I'm
Binga
available.
is looking for you, girls are looking for you, guys are looking for you. Where do we find you?
I'm all over, bro. You can search me on everywhere. Google Mluche, you will see. There's a
Yeah.
lot of things, bro. Like Google me, bro.
Yeah.
You will see. But I'm available on social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, at Mluche. Everywhere you go, there's my phone number there, there's my email address.
Okay.
Send me an email. Hit me up on WhatsApp. Tell me, Mluche Mveltu, this is what we need. This is what we need. Let's do this. Let's work, guys. I'm available. I'm willing to work. And trust me, just because I'm not yet famous does not mean you cannot make money with me. You can make money with me. You can make money using me. You need to invest. And don't be that person just because I invested, you're expecting money after 3 months. Music takes time to pay. I'm telling you, you need 1 year, 3 months. For the royalties, I was a TV, you would have pool. Every time you drop a song, you put it on TV, just know it's going to pay out next year. You drop it this year, just know it's going to pay out next year. So I need Mbingas who are willing to invest in us. Mbingas who are willing to say, okay, fine, this is a Bulawayo hip hop artist, let me invest in him. I'm here. You're going to get your money back. 100%. I've seen it, bro. Like, I know. If I tell you, call this person, tell him you want this song to be on rotation. It's just that I don't have money, bro. If I had money to do that, I was going to do it. I was going to put myself there. But I'm still looking for money. The little money that I get from this TV place, I eat it.
Yeah.
Because in fact, I don't have like I have a family to
Yeah. Even when you need to dress up, you need to look good.
Ngifuna ukuthi lami mangisiya kumushow kamzo7 nginukelele. I buy perfume. Ngithenga iroloni ngigcoba amakhwapha. Ngifuna ukuba i-artist la uthi
numbers sebefikile bahlalisene emuva le.
Yeah. So if you are willing to invest in me, bafethu, please, I'm available. I'm available 100%. Where do go Bulawayo, usi Harare, ungapi. If you're watching Enkundleni podcast, I know there's a lot of you guys who are watching this.
Yeah.
Trust me, invest in me.
Yeah. Thanks, Mluche.
Thank you so much.
Interesting conversation. Yeah, interesting conversation with Mluche here at Enkundleni Exclusive. This is how we do it, always and every time, Sakolis. And we have had an interesting conversation. I think I need to sit down and rewatch this and rewatch it again and watch it again because there's so much information I think that has been unpacked today. But because of my time, well, it has been interesting. And we have Mzo 7 one-man show. Zabes Kala,
And you guys are sponsors, ne?
We are there.
I saw that.
We
You
are
guys-
also there.
Bruh, I want to give a shout out to Enkundleni, bro. Like all the events from the city ne, that I've seen.
We are there.
They are always there, though. The logo is always there. though. We
yeah.
appreciate
Yeah,
you guys.
thank you.
So much
Thank
for
you.
always being there for
Yeah,
my artists, for
yeah,
my creatives.
yeah.
You make sure that the stage is lit,
Yeah,
everything, bro.
yeah, we
You
try
make
our
sure
best,
cameras are there.
Yeah.
Me, I knew you guys from ngesikhathi sikasipho,
Yes,
yabona,
yes,
all
yeah,
those things.
yeah,
So honestly speaking, I would
We are there.
even number fit, I would come and do my one-man show here, MC.
Yeah,
I'll do
one-man
my
show that
homecoming
Mluche
la
coming soon.
Eblawayo.
Yeah.
I have songs. I have people. I've been walking the streets. Some people were saying, when we saw you on Channel O, I didn't think that shit was gonna happen.
Yeah.
La MC.
Yeah.
But it did happen. Bafethu siyabonga.
No.
Enkundleni,
We're
bafethu.
waiting for you.
Siyabonga bafethu,
We
ngizobuya
are
vele.
always there.
Ngizobuya nami bafethu.
Yeah.
Ngizobuya. Ngiyadinga ama-sponsor. Majenzi, uma nilalele bafethu, invest in hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop is there. We are telling the stories. We are also outside.
Yeah. Like we always tell you, Dep 3 events is the best. And lapha Enkundleni Exclusive, we say anything and everything. Singesabi umuntu njalo singaphambanisi
Bafethu
umuntu.
lingangicrop. Lingangicrop njalo sefuna ukusidayisa la. Lingangicrop. Ngiyafuna nama-sponsor la. Bafethu ngikhuluma iqiniso. Kule mbinga ezibhaya la lingangikhathi out yenza into zokukhatha out la. Siyazifuna lezi mbinga yikho ngibuye la. Yikho ngilidingile ngathi ngifuna enkundleni. Podcast because I know what is gonna help me. It's one of the biggest podcasts that we have. That's the problem. Before you go, sorry, I'm taking time.
No, it's okay.
The problem ngabantu bokobulawayo, they underestimate, they belittle the little that we have. Ama opportunities esilawo, instead of us embracing them, thina siyawayeyisa sithi laba labo ngama, you don't know.
Yeah.
Please take time, think bafethu, and go around. Libuza abantu abanje lingene kuma podcast licele. Just because when on a few hit songs and you think that you are not a celebrity, relax. Please relax. Ask around fethu akula muntu obig la. Siloke sisadinga ibig artist kobulawayo asinawo. Asinawo, bro.
We're all trying.
Asinawo, dog. Let's work together. Let's work together as a family. Seke lento okufuna ukuzenza ukuthi just because uzuze ama 1000 views ku TikTok ubuze uhamba uzibone ngathi wena you are not famous. Into le iyadlula. Stick around labantu abazokusiza kusasa. Buka bomzo 7 bayiza who has done a one man show.
Bruh, that's massive.
Who is that? Tomorrow I'm gonna be
That's
there,
massive.
VIP.
Yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Mzo.
Yeah.
And we are all
That's
the way from
massive.
SA in Dotangland Mzo.
Yeah, that's
because
massive.
that's big.
That's
Akekho umuntu
massive.
oseke was shy one man show.
Yeah, that's
the only
massive.
person who tried was Calvin, who did Made in Bulawayo. He tried to engage bonke abantu ukuthi ama-artist akobulawayo sihlangane. But unfortunately, rest in peace to Vin. Mzo 7, we salute you, bruh. Thank you so much for this shit, bruh.
Yeah.
We're gonna be there. I know this episode is gonna play, but just know I enjoyed. Usho yakho njayami.
Yeah, we are gonna enjoy Umzo 7. Like I said it last week, and I said it again on Monday. That shout out to Umzo 7 for all the works that we are doing. It's cause something is still mina sliwa ngamangoe. We don't allow cats in the studio, but for now, sisifuna ukuchaya phansi, sizalibona singalikhangela.